총알 발단. 경찰국의 여러통의 911 신고전화가 쇄도한다. 여러발의 총성이 났다는 것이다. 경찰이 현장에 도착하여 보니 벌판쪽에서 여러발의 라이플 총성이 계속 나고 있었다. 나중에 알고 보니 용의자의 부모가 총을 들고 집 밖을 나간 아들에게 차를 몰고 접근했는데 아들은 부모가 탄 차량을 향해 무차별 총격을 했고 엄마가 총에 맞아 사망하고 아빠는 차를 후진하여 도망나왔다고 한다. 용의자는 출동하여 주차된 시동이 걸려있고 차문은 잠겨있는 경찰차의 창문을 깬 후 순찰차에 타고 달아난다.
Control 1 Ocean 20, looks like he's hopping into a patrol vehicle. Clear. Control 1 Ocean 20, just 401 in the UK parking lot, southeast lot. He's getting out of his truck. Get out of the truck!
Enterprise. Maybe a crossover type?
Port 276 directed to the Maroon SUV. I believe I got the vehicle. It's northbound now on Rainbow. Should be in pursuit of the SUV.
Copy, Maroon SUV northbound on Rainbow in pursuit.
Your problem. We're going to be approaching Road Wedge northbound in the number 1, speed about 89 in both lanes. You're under Rainbow. No, I am on Rainbow. 511, you're under Rainbow. Well, they're shooting at me. They're shooting at me.
511, confirm your 20, just confirm you're on your Rainbow northbound.
Durango Mistral is shooting at us. Durango Mistral is shooting at us. BMA.
Now that portion of the radio traffic where the trooper is saying he's shooting at us is the initial shot fired from within the stolen SUV into the white van.
Mistral, Mary Ida Sam Tom Robert Adam Lincoln.
Intersection is going to be on Durango and Windmill.
Now that is corroborated. If you look at the light pointed at the driver's side window, you'll see that there is an impact into that window.
I don't have eyes on the subject. Where is he?
Are they in the vehicle or are they outside?